Today, we will introduce about project management and also discuss that why people learn project management and why companies use project management. We will be able to know what is the process of project management. So, let's start. First of all, project management. Before learning project management, we need to know what a project is and what management is. Project. Project means an individual or collaborative enterprise that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim. And also we can say, converting a vision, a dream or a need to reality. Now what is management? Management is the technique of understanding the problems, needs, and controlling the use of resources, cost, time, scope, and quality. We can say the process of dealing with all controlling things or people. I hope you understood the management and project. Now let's move on to project management. Project management is the science and art of organizing all the components of a project. For example, the launching of a new service, a marketing campaign, or the development of a new product are projects. In fact, even a wedding is a project that requires management. In general, the project management process involves 5 stages: planning, initiation, execution, monitoring, closing. We will discuss these stages in detail in another video. Let's talk. Why do companies use project management? Companies use project management to handle projects effectively in an organization. To define the project and agree with the customer to plan and assess resource needs for the project to estimate project cost and make proposals. Next one is why people learned project management. For explore the latest concepts and techniques of project management. To increase value contribution to the organization. To prove yourself skillful in managing projects. To learn a new thought process that helps organized thinking and structured approach. To acquire a professional degree recognition and increase job prospects. Project management plan. The key to a successful project is on the planning. All the detailed planning work for different aspects of the project is integrated into one single plan known as the project management plan. The rest we will explain in detail in another video. For now, let me say goodbye and subscribe my channel for more updates.